What's up, everybody? It is Jason here. So I want to give you a quick update on what we're doing for our duplex conversion. Now, this video is a good example for anybody who's never done a plumbing installation in a basement. So if there was nothing in your basement and you wanted to add a bathroom down there, or if you had to move plumbing around, this video here is for you. So what we've had to do is we've cut up the floor and installed some new drainage. So what you have to do in this scenario, the plumbing drain used to run all the way along this wall here and then come out down there, which was inefficient. It was against code, so we had to take all that out. So what we did is you cut up the floor and install that new laundry drain there. Now, when you cut up the floor, you basically cut through this much amount of concrete floor, subfloor. And in some properties that I have been in and I have done work in my student rentals, I've gone through concrete that was that thick, and that could have been an anomaly. Contractors will tell you if that's normal or not, but usually it's about an inch, 2 inches to 3 inches of concrete. So you cut that out, you dig out the gravel and the dirt underneath, and you lay in your new plumbing. This property had the old clay type of pipes. Now those aren't really the best either because they tend to collapse. Sometimes trees they break through the clay foundation, the clay pipes, and roots can get into your piping, and that's really expensive. So you want to get that looked after. If you are buying a property that is older and you know it has clay piping, you may want to scope the drain before you purchase, just to make sure everything is good on that regard. So what we've done here is, so we've added the new plumbing, goes into the main drain, the exhaust, or not exhaust, the clean out. That goes right down the street into the sewer, and then we've moved the toilet just over a little bit there too. So that's a good example. It is dirty, it is messy when you initially do it, but once you clean it up, you're good to go and you're ready for the next project. So once again, if this helps you out, click the like button below. Please subscribe because I will be updating you on the duplex conversions and of course any other real estate tips and tricks that I have for. And I'll see you folks in the next video.